The story of Louis Vuitton begins in 1821 in the small village of Anchay in eastern France. Louis Vuitton was born into a working-class family, and from an early age, he demonstrated a keen sense of craftsmanship and a determination to create. At the age of 14, young Louis made a bold decision to leave his village and head towards Paris by foot, a journey that spanned over 400 kilometers. This arduous trek took him 2 years, during which he worked odd jobs to survive. When he finally reached the bustling city of Paris, Louis found employment as an apprentice for Monsieur Maréchal, a successful boxmaker and packer. Here, he honed his skills and developed a reputation for his meticulous attention to detail. The Industrial Revolution was in full swing, and Paris was becoming a hub of innovation and luxury. Amidst this backdrop, Louis Vuitton decided to establish his own workshop in 1854. His decision was strategic. He noticed that the advent of steam travel created a demand for durable yet stylish luggage. Thus, he crafted flat-topped trunks, which were more practical than the traditional rounded-top designs that couldn't be stacked easily. This design became an instant success. An interesting, lesser-known fact about Louis Vuitton's early days is that he invented a special waterproof canvas to protect travelers' belongings from the elements. This invention earned accolades and set a new standard in travel luggage. The brand's distinctive pattern, featuring the LV monogram, was introduced by Louis's son, Georges Vuitton, in 1896 as a means to prevent counterfeiting. Before establishing his own brand, Louis Vuitton had spent 17 years working for Monsieur Maréchal. Wealthy clients, including the French Empress Eugénie de Montijo, took note of Louise's expertise. It was her patronage that gave Louis the credibility and clientele needed to launch his own brand. The Empress entrusted him with ensuring that her gowns arrived in perfect condition when she traveled, a testament to his superior packing skills. After Louis's death in 1892, Georges took over the business and expanded it internationally. Georges was not just an astute businessman, he was innovative. One of the compelling anecdotes from the Vuitton history is about Georges' participation in the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago. To attract an international clientele, Georges showcased the revolutionary locks he designed, boasting that they were unpickable. He even dared Harry Houdini, the famous escape artist, to break out of a trunk secured with a Vuitton lock. Houdini never took up the challenge, adding an air of mystery and credibility to the already prestigious brand. As the 20th century progressed, Louis Vuitton continued to evolve, moving beyond just trunks to a wide array of luxury goods. The brand saw a monumental shift in 1987 when it merged with Moët et Chandon and Hennessy to form LVMH, creating the world's largest luxury conglomerate. Through the decades, notable personalities from Audrey Hepburn to modern-day celebrities have been spotted with Louis Vuitton products, further cementing its place in popular culture. An amusing story involves the iconic Keepall bag, which was created in 1930 as a response to the need for a versatile travel companion. The bag quickly became a favorite among fashion aficionados, but it was Audrey Hepburn who truly immortalized it. Legend has it that she once requested a custom-sized Keepall, leading to the creation of the smaller and equally beloved Speedy bag. Today, Louis Vuitton stands as a symbol of elegance and innovation, continuing to honor its founder's legacy while pushing the boundaries of luxury. The brand's journey from a humble workshop in Paris to a global luxury powerhouse is a testament to the vision, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence that Louis Vuitton himself embodied. Though the brand has adapted to modern trends, it remains rooted in the principles of quality and craftsmanship laid down by its founder over a century ago.